Hope you are okay. Are you good? Are you fine? This is the fake Elon Musk.
In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make a fake video call. I'm also going to be teaching you guys how to change your voice in real time. Now, in order to change your voice in real time, this is what you're going to need. You're going to need this gaming laptop and you're going to need this pair of earbuds. Now, if you want to buy these earbuds, check the link in the description. You can also get this laptop at the same time with a 30% discount. Alright guys, let's begin this tutorial. What's the first thing you have to do? The first thing you have to do is to install Magic Cam software. So you can see it over here. I'm just going to come over here, double click on it, and I'm going to wait for it to load up. Then I'm going to click on yes. So when I click on yes, I'm going to click on install. So we're going to wait for it to install now. So depending on the speed of your laptop, it's going to take some time, but it's definitely going to install. But meanwhile it's installing, we have to do something important. We have to connect this pair of earbuds to our laptop so we can change our voice in real time. The reason why we need this earbud is because if we are talking outside without anything holding the sound, it's going to be echoing and it's not going to change our voice again in real time. So this earbud is going to hold the sound inside your ear, so only you can hear yourself in real time. But for this video, I'm going to be playing it from the earbud itself to my speakers so you guys can hear the voice changing in real time. Now, if you're enjoying this video, by the way, don't forget to subscribe. I'm going to show you guys how to make a fake video call and change your voice in real time. So firstly, this is what we're going to do. We're going to open up the earbuds here and it's going to start blinking. So once it starts blinking, this is what you're going to do. We're going to go to this section of your laptop. We're going to click on here. Then when I click on here, I'm going to go to Bluetooth. You guys can see Bluetooth over here. So I'm just going to click on this, okay? Then I'm going to put it on. Then you're going to click on add device. So when you click on add device, let me zoom out. This is what it's going to show you. You're now going to click on Bluetooth. So it's going to start scanning around until it sees your earbud. You can see my earbud here, JBL. Let me show you guys. See, it's JBL. Okay, I'm just going to click on my JBL. Okay, let's see whether it's going to connect. Let me zoom out and you can see your device is ready to go. So we are going to be testing the voice changer and the fake video call in real time. So let's go back to Magic Cam. So at this Magic Cam page over here, we are just going to click on finish. And once we click on finish, it's now going to load up the Magic Cam interface. At this interface now, you are either going to sign in with your Google account or you're going to sign in with your email. I already have my email already, so I'm going to sign in with my email and password. Alright, so once I log in, you can see the interface, right? And why I like this software is that it is very, very fast. Let me show you. So over here, you can see my FPS, 25 FPS. And this is when I have swapped my face, even 26. So at least it's giving decent performance. So what happened here? What did I do? Over here, this is where you're going to add your pictures. Anybody's picture you want to use to prank your friends, your loved ones, for educational purposes only. You can add it, you understand? So for the purpose of this video, I am using Ryan Reynolds' picture to prank myself, you understand? Now, over here, let me show you guys. Over here at the top, we have 3 buttons. We have the HD button. You can see it, enhanced image quality, makes images clearer. Then we have the Pro button. This one, when your hand is covering your face, you understand, or anything is covering your face, it's going to help you. Then this is the one that has no watermark. You understand? That means because the software, it requires payment, you understand? So that removes the watermark automatically, you understand? So you guys can see the software is very, very decent, but there's something about the face, right? The resolution of the face is low. You understand? I'm not using a ring light. This is without ring light. You can see the fairness of the face. You can see some details, some beard. I don't even have beard. It's giving me beard. So over here, you see this HD button. Once I click on it, watch the face well. I'm going to move my mouse and click on the HD button. You can see my mouse going there. Watch the face well. So what's going to happen to the face? Boom. There is more detail. Let me zoom in on the face and disable and enable it. Look at the face well. Okay, I know it's giving some AI vibe, but it's trying. Okay, let me disable it. You can see it's blurry. If I enable it, You can see there's more detail. You can see the beard, everything is emphasized. So with the HD, you can see that there's more detail, you understand? It is revealing more of the hair, more things. So for this thing, you're going to need a ring light. You have to get a ring light. It's not the way I'm showing you that it's going to be like this. You need a ring light so it can make the face brighter and get more detail from your face, you understand? So if you're enjoying this video, please support the channel. While I show you how to change your voice now, support the channel, subscribe, and comment where you're watching from, so I have an idea of, the people around me. So let's finish up with this tutorial. Alright, so let's move on to the voice changer. Now in the voice changer section, we have different voices. Now for this part, you can see because my Bluetooth is connected, I cannot play anything with my speakers. So this is my earbuds over here. I'm just going to pull it out and I'm going to show you guys using one earbud. So this earbud is connected to the laptop. So if I play any audio, you guys should hear it. So let me play this one.
Wanna play? I've got a secret, but you've got to catch me first.
Let me play this one.
People who are really serious about software should make their own hardware.
Now there are many voices over here, but the one I like to use most is this Elon Musk voice. You understand? Just for pranking and stuff in general, for those like educational stuff. So I'm just going to download the voice. So to download it, you're going to double click on it. Sometimes it's network, so you have to keep clicking on it then to start downloading. Note it's going to take some time, so you have to also be patient.
Hello. Hello. How are you doing? Hope you are fine. Hope you are okay. Are you fine? Yes. So thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye.